What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. That's not an LED light. That's an LED light.
So let's go ahead and unbox the SANSI light. You can see we get some info here. We get the outdoor floodlight manual, and here is the light. It doesn't look like much, but man, my experience with these things are that they are super powerful, and you can tell here by all the open cutouts, man, they got to let a lot of air through these because they can get pretty hot. You can see here what those LED emitters look like underneath. We've got kind of a red and green element to them. We've got plastic housing, but seems very robust. We've got a metal, some sort of alloy arm here, and that is, you've got some thumb screws on the side here. You might need an Allen key to open those up, but otherwise they're on there very tight. But then you would use this to either mount it to the wall, and it looks like we do have a post here to screw it into the wall, or you can use it like legs, like a tripod, and put it down. See on the back here, model number, or even look like there's some fans potentially behind there. And then we have a 2-prong outlet. So you can also get this in a much bigger version. You can see here that this is the 4 emitter, and obviously in this picture they have 12, so you can get these. And I've had them in various sizes, and they're really great for, you know, these RGB lights for outdoor illumination around the holidays. You can use them to light up a tree or bush, shrubs, the front of your house. You can put them in different colors, that type of thing. We also get a remote here, which will require some batteries, which are not included. It looks like AAA's, so I'll get those in there. But it's really great because I've kind of put these outside my house before and then use this to turn it on, so it saves you from having to go outside, which is pretty cool. But you can see here we have the different colors: strobe, flash, fade, smooth, mode 1, 2, 3, 4, and you get shortcuts for all the colors. So get some batteries in here and plug this sucker in, and we'll just try it out. All right, batteries in, and I'm gonna plug in the light here, and boom, I can tell you right now, this thing is stupid bright. Stupid bright. It is so bright. You can see how dark it looks on my camera, and that's because it is just pumping out a ton of light. I'm not even sure how to make it dimmer yet. So on, off, right there, you can see we can go to white, which I think it is. It's got all of the colors illuminated, and that gives you kind of this bright white look. But if we go red, boom, green, aha, so Christmassy, and then blue, that's pretty easy to do those. Then we can go strobe, flash, that's cool. So that is definitely kind of a party spirit. And then fade, scrolls through things fading, that's pretty cool. And then smooth, and it's just kind of slowly scrolling through it. Actually, that I think is the mode I would use here for holiday treatment. And then if we go orange, coral, it's kind of hard. I'm getting like the light in my eyes here. Gold, purple, pink, yellow, orchid, navy, indigo, lime, aqua, and cyan. Look at that. That is pretty awesome. And then you can control the output with these little, I don't know what the side to side does, but brightness is up and down. All right, in my darkened living room right here, got the light plugged in, so I'm gonna hit the power button, and boom, look at that. You get the room lit up in that really interesting blue. And I'm just gonna bump up the light here, and you can see what that does. And down, so you can definitely adjust it. But let's go ahead and hit this smooth scrolling, and look at that. Pretty cool. Definitely add some ambiance, and man, that thing is bright. And this is like one of the smaller ones, which is kind of crazy. So hey, if you want to pick this sucker up, like I said, your rave, your party, you want to illuminate your backyard or the front of your house, scroll through lights, add a little bit of that festive cheer, some color, you can definitely pick up this light. I will put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.